students.
Yes, good morning students. Welcome back. This is the session number 6 only on chapter 12, the water. After number 8, all poems and lessons are tough indeed. It is why if you cannot understand chapter number 1, 2, 3, how can you understand chapter number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14? Okay, please leave your laziness. Start doing hard work. If you don't work hard, even God cannot help you. My dear students, watch the video, follow the instructions. If you don't follow my instructions, how can you expect to score better in the annual exam or test or any midterm exam, internal exams and tests? Today, you are going to learn the new concept. If you cannot understand the summary, how can you understand the twisted questions? You think? If you cannot understand the summary of English chapters, how can you understand the twisted questions? Then you will become unfit indeed for English itself. My dear students, first to remove this illusion and illusion. Start doing hard work today onwards. Then only you can score better. Otherwise, nobody is responsible for your lowest performance in the annual exam. Be ready, carefully follow my words. Otherwise, you are not responsible. You are responsible, I am not responsible. Today, I am going to give you this revision for the sake of twisted questions. 4 marks and 6 marks. English looks easy, but it is not easy at all. Today, I will prove with the only 2% of the advanced teaching. Only 2% will be exhibited or explained today. Once you start coming to college, we are teaching each and every chapter at 8 stages. But if you cannot understand stage number 1 and 2, you forget to learn 3rd stage, 4th stage, 5th stage, nothing. Simply keep quiet. That's the best thing indeed. Today, I am going to explain how are the twisted questions appearing in English subject in 2nd PUC, in 1st PUC, in the 1st PU, no problem. In the 2nd PU, so many problems. How to tackle, how to face, how to remove these problems means this is called revision class 4. Twisted 4 and 6 marks. There is no difference in the answer to 4 marks until 6 marks. Differently, 4 mark and 6 mark answers are same only. Answers are same. Questions may appear in different main sentence. 4 mark main, 6 marks questions main. Today, I am going to teach you twisted questions, how they are appearing. What is the system? First you understand. Every lesson carries 4 base questions. You must remember base questions. First you remember, you learn, you store in your mind the base questions. Later, what are the twisted questions to the same base question? My dear students, learning the answer is not a great thing at all. But learning 1 mark twisted questions and answers, learning 4 marks of twisted questions is very important. Otherwise, you know the answer, but you are unable to understand the question. Which answer is suitable to this twisted question? It is highly impossible to calculate. It is why today, this is the first time that I am giving the twisted questions exclusively. These all twisted questions have taken place in book number 2. Until you come to college, I won't release, I won't launch at all. It is given in the previous year. This year I may give with some modifications. Today, the water revision number 4 and 6 marks, twisted questions. Twisted questions are important. Answers can be learned anytime, anywhere. Yes. But how can you understand twisted questions? Because of my teaching. If you don't follow my teaching, you never can understand the twisted questions. You know four answers from each lesson, but you don't know which answer is suitable to the given twisted questions. It is why follow the teaching, watch the video. Now onwards, your responsibility is growing. Understanding the video is very, very important. You may experience through this session. First of all, the water revision part 4. 6th session on 1. Generally, I will use 3 to 4 periods, but I am teaching this one for 6 hours through this online. You understand how much importance I am giving and how much it is, how much hard work is required to understand each and every chapter. It is very, very, very different method. 4 and 6 months tuition questions. First, base question. Sketch the character of roof is the base question. Question number 1. Base question. Remember this one. Sketch the character of roof. 1. It is called a base question. What are the twisted questions? I will explain. Here, how many questions are here? 5. How many questions? 4. How many questions totally? 9. Have you understood? Once more. How many questions are here? 4. How many questions are here? 5. Totally 9. But how many answers? 2. Only 2. Answers are 2, questions are 9. From the beginning itself, I have been saying, and claiming that questions are powerful, answers are not so powerful. If you don't know these twisted questions, how can you face the annual exam? Some more twisted questions are there, but I cannot give all the twisted questions in one session. It is why, my dear students, start working hard. Don't take English so easy. You will experience this one once you take the test of 100 marks. Twisted. In the previous grand test 2, you might have experienced 1 mark questions are not so easy. 4 marks. Fate is curious. Explain. From the lesson, yes, early morning. What answer can you write upon? Tell upon. If you don't work hard, how can you judge which answer is suitable? Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, which is suitable? It is why base question along with the twisted questions are very, very important. See, answers are here too, but questions are 9. How can we understand means? This is the must, what you must learn. See, sketch the character of roof, base question. Account for roof's popularity in the water. Question of B, same answer. Base question, twisted questions. Base question, twisted questions. Not only 4 here, it contains 6 more, but I cannot give all in one stroke. Now listen. Roof is an intelligent manipulator. Justify with reference to the water. See, question number C. Base question. You don't remember answer, you remember the base question. Sketch the character of roof is the base question. These all are sub-questions means what? Twisted questions. Next. To what extent was roof the most trusted of the whispering campaigner in the water? Once more. To what extent was roof the most trusted of the whispering campaigners in the water? See. Base 3 twisted questions. After understanding these 4 questions, now you may feel relaxed and confident that whatever the twisted question it may be, you can face the exam or test. If I give to what extent was roof the most trusted of the whispering campaigners in the water means, what answer are you going to write without knowing the twisted questions? Yes. Now tell me. What is real English? Now it is coming out. It is why whatever you feel that you have learned so well or more than enough means it is nothing. Nothing. Even 10% also is not there. Whatever the teaching has taken place over the video or online, only 10%. The remaining is 90%. When you come to classroom, I will read the lesson, saying summary, explaining each and every paragraph, every line, every word, twisted questions, grammar questions, 1 mark questions, and reported speech. No, so many new things. What we have experienced until now, 10% of complete syllabus, complete method of teaching. Just wait. You start coming to college, later you will experience what is real English in second PUC. Now, understand question number 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 twisted questions. So, 4 questions, answer is 1. Same. Whatever the answer is applicable to this 1A, same answer must apply to B, C, D. It is the law of English. This is the method of learning English. At stage number 3, it is called only stage number 3. Find out stages are there, my dear students. It is called stage 3. We have 5 more stages. It will be explained only in the classroom. Until then, no question of exposing those things over the online. Only in the classroom. Next one. So, base question 1, 3, remaining twisted questions. Total 4 questions, answer is 1. Next. Second, write a note on Marcus Seebey. Write a note on Chief the Honorable Marcus Seebey. Easy to understand. Oh, no problem. Marcus Seebey, mission school teacher. Okay, he was loving a lady. She complained when he was about to be removed. He resigned from his post. He joined politics. Okay, he was elected and he was the minister for culture. And he built a mansion, mafia mansion, and he arranged one feast for the villagers. These are all Marcus Seebey. But if I give suddenly, the voter is a mockery on democracy, discuss is the question. Without giving this question previously, if this question appears in the question paper, what answer can you write, my dear students? Now you judge. Why these twisted questions are important means because of this method. If we give this question, the voter is a mockery on democracy, discuss, that's all. We will not give the word Marcus Seebey. Marcus Seebey word cannot be said in the question. What answer can you write, my dear students? If you feel that you have learned so well, okay, understanding is okay, but some lazy fellows won't watch the videos, simply bluff. We have understood or we have not understood. That is the wrong method. Those who don't watch videos, they will regret later. I am not responsible. Be careful now onwards. The voter is a mockery on democracy. Discuss is the prime twisted question. Careful. Next. Write a note on Chief the Honorable Marcus Seebey, base question. Or write a note on Marcus Seebey, base question. The voter ridicules the power and selfishness of Marcus Seebey, explained. First twisted question. Second, describe how Marcus Seebey had managed to become a successful politician. See, politician. Here powerful, selfish fellow, and here Chief the Honorable, respected. See, here respect, here power, here politics. See, through the question only we can understand what are the stages in the answer itself. We can analyze everything with the help of questions only. It is why store these questions. You should have written these all questions in your classwork. If you don't write these twisted questions, you forget to score better in future. Please, that is not a joke at all. Careful indeed. The voter ridicules the power and selfishness of Marcus Seebey, explained. First twisted question. Second twisted question, describe how Marcus Aurelius had managed to become a successful politician. Yeah, full stop. Explain or describe means here full stop only, no question mark. We follow each and every English rule. Okay. So, next question. The water is a mockery on democracy. Discuss. No clue at all that we have to write Marcus Aurelius answer. Where is the clue? There is no word Marcus Aurelius here. How can you judge that? Answer number 2 is the answer. Number 2 is the answer to this question. Now tell me. Have you understood? How was Marcus Aurelius a successful politician, though he was not a successful mission teacher? Say, school mission teacher, failed one. Successful politician, powerful man, honorable person, successful politician, say selfish fellow, in this order. Whatever the question twisted it may be, this is the base question. Which answer you are writing to this question? Same answer should be written to these remaining questions. Only, I have written here only 5, 3 more are there. Say, to write these 2 questions itself, the full board is covered or required. It is why, my dear students, it is called stage number 3. In the stage number 4, what are the key words to the twisted question? How to understand notes lines, it will be explained. How to set 1 mark questions with the help of the textbook, it will be explained. How to change 1 mark answer into 4 mark question. Reported speech, there are 5 more stages. You can't believe it. You can see these all things in the class. Yes. So, first one, second one, it is called 5 questions, 3 more questions are there, 8 questions, answer is 1. Now tell me, which are more? Questions are more, answer is the limited only 1. It is your duty to learn this correct answer to this one. Learn this base question, learn these twisted questions, learn the base question, learn the twisted questions. Now tell me, is it a joke? If you never can see this question, which answer are you going to write? You never can experience. It is why, my dear students, you should have watched the previous videos carefully. If anybody has not watched the video, go back, watch it totally. Otherwise, it will become very difficult to understand the live classes or direct classes in the classroom. It is why, please note down these all questions. We will switch over to board number 2. I will explain 2 more sets of twisted questions. Before going to the next stage, please copy these 9 questions now itself. Otherwise, very difficult.
sir.
Okay, so board number 1 is over, board 2, 9 questions are over, only 2 answers. Here, question number 3, question number 4. I said several times that surely there will be 4, minimum 4 mark or 6 mark questions. 5th may be or 3 may be, depends upon the chapter. Now, it is called third A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. How many questions? 10 questions. How many answers? 1 answer. Tell me now. 10 questions, answer 1. Here, 4th one. A, B, C, D, E, 5. So, 10 plus 5 is 15. How many answers? 12. 2 only 2. Then 9. How many? 24. That means 24 questions, answers are 4. That means, now tell me. Where is your type of method of learning? Where is the real method which is required for you, required by you? Tell me now. Yes. If we don't give these twisted questions, it is highly impossible to score better in any test or exam. Direct questions will not appear in the annual exam also. Minimum 40% twisted questions will appear. Then, how can you face? It is by be obedient, be prompt, start working hard, watch the videos carefully, note down your doubts, ask me, contact me. If you feel that what is the necessity of asking sir of any doubt, I can write. Okay, let us see. I am waiting for your arrival at the college. Let us see. Yeah. Let us see how much you have learned, how many videos have you watched, how much have you gained the knowledge. Everything will be tested in this classroom. My dear students, it is my suggestion that all of you should have updated the notes. How many chapters are over? 4 summary and 4 and 6 mark answers should have been written in your notes. If you don't update your notes, you are responsible. Here itself I state from this dais that you should have updated the English notes. Later submit. Once you come to the classroom, it is your responsibility, it is your duty to submit the English notes updated. How many chapters are over? Nearly 8 chapters are over. Don't write 1 mark or 6 mark question answers. If you are written or if you are writing, it is better for you. It is the best thing indeed. But points to remember, it is called summary, should have been written. 4 mark question and answer which is in the notes, you should write those all things. You should write question and answer. It is not required 1 mark question and answers. But if you are written, it is the best thing that you can learn English easily. If you don't bring your updated notes, it will be a burden for you only. Who will help you later? One day is not enough indeed to write 4 question and answers from lesson side. That is why be careful, start updating your notes today onwards, because very soon, January 1 or 4, we are going to remain in the same class. It is why better for you to go through, update your English notes indeed. Okay. Now let us discuss. So totally there are 24 questions, only 4 answers. 24 questions, 4 and 6 marks. What about twisted questions? More than 81 mark questions. How? More than 80. In this everything I need to learn in the forest, 141 mark question answers. Then what? What kind of hard work you have to do? Please understand. Don't be lazy. Don't be overconfident. Okay, start working hard. Now, we will discuss this one. This question number 3, base question. Question number 4, base question. To remember, the base question is the easiest one, general question. Twisted questions. Okay, careful. These all twisted questions have not appeared in your notes. What notes you have? It is called book 1. Another advanced book is there. It is called 2. It contains full grammar rules and regulations. Grammar rules and regulations. 1 mark twisted question answers. What is the answer given by the board and how to tackle annual exam? What are the methods in understanding grammar rules and regulations? Everything is there in book 2. There is no force on anybody. You can buy, you can leave, no problem. I won't force anybody to buy, take, or today you come to college, buy this. It is not my attitude. I never ask anybody to buy the notes. Notes is available, you take. Otherwise, leave it, no problem. I won't call anybody, come and take, no question. If you want, you come and take. That's all. If you don't want, leave it, no problem. Okay, now, do you think that Roof is right in tearing the ballot paper into 2? Explain this question. Do you think that Roof is right in tearing the ballot paper into 2? Explain. Election day. Base question. Twisted question. Describe the behavior of Marcus on the election day. Same answer. How is Roof's dilemma brought out in the lesson? Twisted question. What is the role played by Roof? Same. Base question. Twisted question. Why did Roof tear, not tear? Tear ballot paper into 2. Yes. Question number E. Question number E. How did Marcus lure voters to his side? Suddenly this question appears in me. What will you write? Are you going to write answer number 2? Write a note on Marcus Ide. You are in a hurry. You don't read all the words. If you see, Marcus Ide, okay, Marcus Ide was a school teacher, mission school teacher. Later, a lady complained against him. When he was about to be dismissed, he resigned from the post. He joined politics. Successful politician, built the mansion, gave the treat to the voter, and he had 2 cars. The Hamlak answer is the wrong thing. So you can score 0 mark out of 4 marks. Why? And you have written answer number 2, but answer number 3 is required. See, we will ask you to solve 3 plus 3, but you will do 3 minus 3. What a great learning! You must focus on this symbol, not the number. Similarly, you must focus on each and every word. You must know this question belongs to question number base number 1 or base number 2, base number 3. It is just stage number 3. I won't expose all the things in one stroke. Slowly, I will reveal, I will give all type of teachings. If you believe that it is over, it will never be over. 5 more stages are there, you will come to face. These are 5 stages. You never can learn in this style in your life. Yes. How is this say? How did Marcus lure? Means attract. You must know the meaning of this one. How did Marcus attract voters to his side? Means he was sitting in the car. Same answer. He was sitting in the car, encouraging. Roof was this one, and he brought life band from Umru, and he was this one. Voters were coming and shaking hands, and he was waving towards all. Dancers were dancing. This is the answer. Lure means attracting, and dragging, and pulling. Yeah. Lure voters to his side. It is called F question. It is called equal to base question. Yes. Now, have you understood? Twisted questions are very essential. Learning the answer can take place anywhere, but twisted questions can be given by me only. You cannot find these all twisted questions even on the internet, laptop, any guide, any digest, anywhere. These questions are with me only. Yes. How did Marcus lure voters to his side? Ruth gets into a fix after his meeting with the POP campaigner. How does the voter bring this out? See, Ruth gets into a fix. Fix means here what? Problem. He was in a dilemma, means doubt, confusing stage. Now, Ruth gets into a fix after his meeting with the POP campaigner. How does the voter means person, bring this out? That means after receiving the £5 from this Madhuka's party's election campaign leader, how did he feel on the election day? Means he could not return the money, he could not cheat or deceive his boss. How was his mental state? It is explained in this base question and answer. It is why Ruth gets in their fix after his meeting with the POP campaigner. How does the voter think this out? Moreover, in stage number 7, whatever the question it may be, how to use the question itself as an answer, that will be explained. If you read one question, you must use that question as an answer to that 4-mark answer. How to change this question into answer, it will be explained only in the classroom. Next, how does Ruth conceal his betrayal of Marcus in the election? Elucidate. See, how beautiful twisted question. How does Ruth conceal his betrayal of Marcus in the election? See, two unknown words. Conceal. Conceal means hide. H-I-D, hide his betrayal, cheating of Marcus in the election. Elucidate. See, if this question appears directly, can you imagine what answer are you going to write now? Yes, tell me. If you feel that what is there in English, you will feel different when you find these twisted questions. Now tell me. It is your responsibility to know these all twisted questions. Yes, I won't say any more thing. English is not a joke at all. From the day number 1, day number 100, same topic. It will never change. Yes. How does Ruth hide his cheating of Marcus Ebel in the election? That means answer number 3, base question. Same. Yes. See, H, 8, 9. Give the picture of the activities on the election day morning in the voter. Same. Marcus Ebel and Ruth. You can write Ruth for tearing the ballot into 2. You can write or you can leave it. But anyhow, there is no confusion. Fixed answer to all these 10 twisted 4-mark questions. Answer is number 3. Questions are 10. Next, 9th one. J, 10. Ruth's dilemma on the day of election is the result of his own misdeeds. See, misdeeds. Do you agree with it? Give reason. See, to some extent, it is not so easy. It is not so difficult indeed. See, Ruth's dilemma. Dilemma means what? Hesitation, problem, confusing state of mind. In a problem, on the day of election is the result of his own misdeeds, not deeds, misdeeds. Because of taking bribe of £5 from the opposition party, he was in the trouble. He was in the state of confusion. Dilemma means confusion state, in the mind of state. It is why he could not control his mind. But he was very cool. He is the most cunning fellow. It is why he could hide his emotions and tension on the election day. It is why Ruth's dilemma on the day of election is the result of his own misdeeds. Do you agree with it? Give reason. Okay. Answer is same. So, how many questions? 10 questions. How many answers? 1 answer. Tell me now. Where are the real questions? Where is the real learning? Where is the real method? Means this is stage number only 3. 5 more stages are there. Last year 12 stages. It is why many students could score 96. Nobody has failed. Why? Giving teaching, working hard. My part is making you thorough. Your role is to work hard, to learn well. If you are careless, forget to score. Next. Yeah. 4. Final part. So conclusive part. Trace change in the attitude of the villagers before the second election. That means trace the change in the attitude of the villagers before the second election. Second election, not first election. In the first election, they voted for free. In the second election, they wanted money. Why? Marcus Aurelius has become the richest and most powerful person because of the power of the vote of the villagers. They could understand this one. It is called the fourth stage. Trace the reasons behind the radical change, rapid, so fast change that had come into the thinking of Umafia in the water. Umafia, villagers, waters, Umafia, total village. It is called B. What is the base question? Trace the change in the attitude, behavior of the villagers before the second election. The base question. Trace the reasons behind the radical, so speed, drastic change that had come into the thinking of Mafia in the voter. B question. Do you think that the voter is right in demanding money to vote for Marcus Aurelius? Explain. See. Marcus Aurelius. Do you think that the voter is right in demanding money? That means what? The voters of this village, Mafia, demanded forced roof to give money. The elders also took money, 4 shillings each, but roof received 5 pounds. Very big amount for the sake of 1 vote. It is why roof is the main role or character in this short story. Okay, the voter is a comment on the awareness of voters discussed. If this question appears suddenly, which answer are you going to write? If you don't know how to divide into 4 parts with the base questions, how can you answer this question? Tell me now. The voter is a comment on the awareness of votes. Awareness of votes. Tell me now. Yeah. So, comment on the awareness of votes or voters means base question radical changes. The main 2 words are radical changes in the attitude of the voters. Same itself. See, my dear students, this may be the session number 6 or revision class 4, but to shoot this session itself, we have taken 4 videos. 4 different times, 4 different parts of videos we are connecting and we are making that one as one and we are playing that one for the sake of yourself. And my colleagues also are helping. Shivappa sir is helping so much and SRS sir, our department is doing with the help of our principal sir. Excellent, let us learn well. Okay, next. Do you think that the voter is right in demanding money to vote for Marcus Aurelius? Explain. The voter is a comment on the awareness of votes discussed. The question. The voter presents the role of money and reflects its power in an election. Explain. Suddenly, if this question, B question, and this question, D and E appear means which answer are you going to write? Can you imagine? Answer number 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is the chance to understand? It is why. First be polite, be calm. First you start working hard, learn it with interest. If you don't have interest, nothing can be learned by you. It is why, my dear students, D. The water is a comment. Different twisted question. The water presents the role of money. See. And redactals means inserts. It's a power in an action. Money inserts vote. Money is more powerful than the vote. It is why these are all twisted questions. My dear students, one more twisted questions are there. I can't teach those all things on the video only in the classroom. While I am teaching this all with the help of a textbook, I will give you twisted 1 mark questions. How to change 1 mark answer into 4 mark question? How to change 1 mark question into 1 mark answer? Everything is different. All type of tactics, techniques, methods, skills are required to deal with English in 2nd PUC. My dear students, I hope that you might have come to know very different strategy in understanding English in 2nd PUC. This is the new method you never learned in your life, nowhere in your life in future. Also, there are so many new things. This is called only stage number 3. Stage number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 more stages will take place only in the classroom. I am very eagerly waiting for your arrival here in the classroom or at the classroom. Let us hope to do better. And once you start coming to college, you must bring your updated notes indeed. Today onwards, you must be honest in working hard and complete the job indeed. Then only you can complete your you can score better indeed. It is why, my dear students, take some time. Thanks, sir. Okay, so sorry, some emergency work. Okay, let us proceed. Okay, now 1 mark twisted questions. There are nearly 80 1 mark twisted questions have taken place in this water. 120 from 1 chapter. There are more than 2001 mark questions in 2nd PUC. It is why, my dear students, if you have taken English so lightly until this second, forget. Remove that illusion, imagination. Start working hard. My dear students, I know that all of you are very sincere and hard-working, honest students. Start working hard today onwards. Understand these questions. Imagine there are only 4 answers, but 24 4 or 6 mark twisted questions means how much hard work is required by you. How much hard work you have to do. It is why, before coming to college, it is your duty to update the notes, should have watched all the videos, should have learned 4 and 6 mark, 1 mark questions which are in your notes 1, whatever the notes you have. Later, once you start coming to college, then later I can judge how much you have understood, in what stage are you. I can judge, I can proceed with the next stage indeed. Don't worry, I will revise all chapters. 10 chapters are reserved in this year and 10 chapters on grammar topics. I have not started even reported speech. It is not so easy indeed. It is why reported speech will be taught only in the classroom. It will take nearly 15 to 18 periods, and linkers and expression only 3. I will revise letter writing also. Some students are facing problem how to write biodata resume. I will explain each and everything. Don't worry. Yes, but when you work hard, no worries. If you don't watch videos, simply say summary is not understood, it is your karma. I am not responsible. If a summary is not explained, are you an expert to understand? Okay, textbook is there now, and the notes are there now, then why couldn't you understand? Okay, why? You don't have interest. It is why it is your fate. We are not responsible. First watch the video. If you get any doubt, I have told you several times to contact me. If those who have not contacted me cannot claim that everything is not understood, we feel that you have understood. Why? You never contacted us. You never said anything. It is why everything should be understood by you very well indeed. Otherwise, no marks at all. Next, you must watch this video often and often. You should have written 24 twisted questions today itself and write this one. One set of question paper, 1 page. Second set of question papers, second page. This one in third page. This one in fourth page. Don't write continuously. There is a method in updating notes also. Once you start coming to college, when you are in the classroom, I will teach you how to write the notes. Okay? Then you will come to know how to write questions, how much space is required. After completing the answer, what to do, how to write grammar, question and answers, and everything will be explained by me when you are in the classroom itself. My dear students, complete watching the videos. Very soon we are going to meet face to face, and let us hope for that one better soon indeed. And keep on reading, keep learning, keep yourself busy, and do well. Okay, God bless you. Thank you.